Ukrainian Special Brigade successfully eliminates Russian attack group in Sumy region. The Ukrainian soldiers eliminated a Russian assault group of 5 occupiers in the Sumy region. A video showing the results of the fighters' effective combat operation was published on social media. The initial footage shows a drone filming the movement of the group of occupiers, followed by images of the bodies of the neutralized Russians. The Sumy frontline, the place of Russian glory. The eliminated Russian soldiers are conveniently located in a small area in the Sumy region within the responsibility zone of the UAV unit, Pentagon of the 225th Separate Assault Regiment. During recent fighting near Kupansk, a fighter from Ukraine's Bratstvo unit, part of the Defense Intelligence's Timer Special Unit, held off an enemy assault despite being outnumbered 5-1. The incident highlights both the intensity of combat in the area and the challenges Ukrainian forces continue to face along this front. The Ukrainian fighter's defense was effective enough to delay or disrupt Russian assault. In response, Russian troops reportedly used banned chemical agents to dislodge him from the position, a violation of international law. This was followed by mortar shelling and repeated FPV drone strikes. As a result, the soldiers sustained multiple shrapnel wounds and signs of poisoning from the unknown substance, including intermittent loss of consciousness. In this condition, further defense of the position was no longer feasible. Ukrainian command ordered an evacuation. Despite the presence of Russian drones in the area, a team was able to reach the injured service member, extract him under fire, and deliver him to a stabilization point for treatment. Ukrainian forces later managed to retain control of the position and push back the Russian troops. The operation was described as successful in preventing a breakthrough on this sector of the front. The exact nature of the chemical agent used remains unconfirmed, and further medical analysis is ongoing. Ukrainian officials have not named the injured soldier. As Defense Express previously reported in the early hours, a powerful explosion rocked the outskirts of the temporarily occupied city of Tokmak in Zaporizhzhia region. The blast targeted green UAZ-452, Soviet-era van commonly nicknamed the Bukhanka due to its boxy shape. The vehicle was destroyed in the incident, along with its occupants and payload. Inside the van were 2 Russian servicemen identified as members of a drone reconnaissance crew. These operators were responsible for piloting the Skat-350M UAV, a drone type frequently used by Russian forces for aerial surveillance and artillery spotting in the region. During the war in Ukraine, drones began to be manufactured in huge numbers. They are a cheap and effective means of destruction. They are one of the main reasons why Ukraine believes it will be able to withstand the Russian army's offensive this year and in the future. Ukrainian soldiers describe the corridor teeming with drones and covering about 10 kilometers on both sides of the contact line as a kill zone. The remotely piloted drones deployed by both sides can quickly identify and destroy targets. Two Ukrainian commanders told the publication that the war is turning into a conflict with the largest number of drones ever seen. This has undermined the ability of the Russians to use their traditional advantages in troop numbers, artillery, and tanks. Any large vehicle operating near the front is now a real target. This means that Russian troops can no longer move quickly, as they did in 2022 with columns of armored vehicles. Oleksandr Dmitriev, founder of OCHI system, which centralizes video feeds from over 15,000 Ukrainian military drone crews on the front line, said, "The enemy sees you completely, no matter where you go or what you were driving." Ukrainian commanders say that Russia has been forced to adapt its tactics because of this. Now its troops are being attacked by small groups of 5 to 6 people, on foot, on motorbikes or ATVs. A Russian soldier shot his comrade as he attempted to surrender to Ukrainian forces. Journalist Yurii Butusov reported on the incident and published corresponding drone footage. According to him, it took place near Orikhiv, along the Zaporizhzhia front. The footage shows a serviceman of the Russian occupation army with his hands tied, running along a dirt road before collapsing. According to the video, Ukrainian defenders are observing the situation using a drone. It's clear that the Russian soldier saw the Ukrainian drone and began signaling his intention to surrender. However, he didn't have time to do so, as another Russian invader ran up to him with a rifle and shot him in the head. After making sure he had killed his comrade, the Russian soldier ran back toward the positions of the Russian forces.
Федя, ну ты на месте, как принял.
Рух.